और ये सब लोग अल्लाह के आगे पेश होंगे। फिर जो लोग दुनिया में कमज़ोर थे वो बड़ाई बघारने वालों से कहेंगे कि हम तो तुम्हारे पीछे चलने वाले लोग थे, तो क्या अब तुम हमें अल्लाह के अजाब से कुछ बचा लोगे? वो कहेंगे, अगर अल्लाह ने हमें हिदायत दी होती तो हम भी तुम्हें हिदायत दे देते। चाहे हम चीखें, चिल्लाएं या सब्र करें, दोनों सूरतें हमारे लिए बराबर हैं। हमारे लिए छुटकारे का कोई रास्ता नहीं।
वबरज़ू लिल्लाहि जमीअन, and all of them will stand before Allah. They will appear before Allah. فقال ضعفاء للذين استكبروا. Now in every nation, every society, there are people who hold the reins of power. The general masses, common people, they follow them. Now these people will say to them, well, you were our leaders, we followed you, you took us on that path. How can you save us from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala here? Then can we avail of your services here? وَبَرَزُوا لِلَّهِ جَمِيعًا فَقَالَ الضُّعَفَاءُ لِلَّذِينَ اسْتَكْبَرُوا. The haughty and the arrogant, the weak people will say to them, إِنَّا كُنَّا لَكُمْ تَبَعًا. We were your followers. We took you as our leaders. We believed in you. فَهَلْ أَنْتُمْ مُغْنُونَ عَنَّا مِنْ عَذَابِ اللَّهِ مِنْ شَيْءٍ. Now can you save us from the punishment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? قالوا, they will reply, لَوْ هَدَانَ اللَّهُ لَهَدَيْنَاكُمْ. Had Allah guided us, we would have guided you. سَوَاءٌ عَلَيْنَا جَزِعْنَا أَمْ صَبَرْنَا. Now it's all equal. If we bewail or we take whatever is coming to us, we endure it patiently. مَا لَنَا مِن مَحِيصٍ. We have no place of escape. We are equal here. The leaders and the led, both will be in that punishment and chastisement. Nobody will be able to help anybody.